Welcome to our channel. If you're seeing the message, cash out functionality is not currently available on Uber Eats, you're not alone. This can happen due to various reasons, including technical glitches, account issues, or server outages. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix this problem so you can access your earnings again. Let's get started. Step 1. Check for server issues. Sometimes, the problem lies with Uber Eats servers experiencing downtime, which can prevent cashing out. Solution: wait a few minutes and try again later. You can check Uber's social media accounts or visit their status page to see if there are any ongoing service disruptions affecting the cash out feature. Step 2. Verify your account and payment method. If your account isn't verified or there's an issue with your payment method, the cash out feature might be temporarily disabled. Solution: open the Uber Eats app and go to Profile Payment. Ensure that your payment method, bank account, PayPal, etc., is properly linked and there are no issues, such as an expired card or incorrect information. If your account is not verified, follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Step 3. Make sure you meet the cash out requirements. Uber Eats has certain eligibility criteria for cashing out, such as meeting a minimum earnings threshold or completing a required number of deliveries. Solution: make sure you've earned enough money to qualify for cashing out. Sometimes, you might need a minimum balance before you can transfer funds. Check the earnings section in the app to verify if you meet the cash out requirements. Step 4. Update the Uber Eats app. An outdated app can sometimes cause functionality issues, including problems with cashing out. Solution: update the Uber Eats app by going to the Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iPhone, and checking if there's a newer version of the app available. Once updated, restart the app and try cashing out again. Step 5. Ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable internet connection can disrupt the cash out process. Solution: make sure you have a strong and stable connection to the internet, whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a different network or using mobile data for better reliability. Step 6. Clear app cache, Android only. Sometimes, cache data in the Uber Eats app can cause functionality issues. Solution: go to Settings, Apps, Uber Eats on your Android device. Tap on Storage and then select Clear Cache. Open the Uber Eats app and check if the cash out feature is available now. Step 7. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, simply logging out and logging back in can resolve temporary issues with the app. Solution: in the Uber Eats app, go to your profile and tap on Logout. After logging out, close the app completely and reopen it. Log back in with your credentials and check if the cash out feature works. Step 8. Contact Uber Eats support. If the issue persists, it may be time to reach out to Uber Eats support for assistance. Solution: open the Uber Eats app, go to Profile Help, tap on Earnings and Payments, and then select Cash Out Issues. Follow the prompts to submit a report or contact support. Conclusion: if you're encountering the cash out functionality is not currently available message, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. Check for server problems, verify your account and payment method, ensure eligibility, update the app, and verify your internet connection. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Uber Eats support. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and troubleshooting guides.